Hi there, Carl here from Cleaning How To. So we had a number of complaints about our last video, specifically from my friends who told me that I should have done a close-up of the actual cleaning that we're doing, which is a fair point. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean a filthy seat in a commercial environment. Just so happens that this commercial environment is the biggest arena in Ireland. This is the Free Arena in Dublin, and we've got a 13,000 capacity, but there's 2,500 thereabouts. Cloth seats. So as you can see, the seats are really dirty. Now, process and what you can expect to see in the video. We are going to agitate the seats dry with a special upholstery brush on a grill. Then we are going to vacuum the seats. Then we are going to pre-spray the seats with a detergent with an enzyme product in it. And then we are going to extract the seats with our Jaguar Cub extraction machine. So all in, this process is going to take about 5 minutes or so. So, I'm going to start off with dry agitation, I should say. So 95% of soil in any carpet or upholstery is dry, so we want to get it out dry. Back Hawkeye to pull out the dust from the pad. Now I'm going to pre-spray our detergent onto the seat. Quite liberally. I want it to really bite in and break the remaining soil down. It's predominantly sugar soil, so sugar, hot dog, Guinness and hand grease, so kind of a myriad of tannic soil and sugar-based soiling. So that's what that product is designed to tackle. And now I'm going to agitate that product in to help emulsify and break down the soil. Now that product is really helping. This high pH is really helping to break that soil contact from the synthetic fibre of the seat. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to extract the seat. That's pretty much it for how we are cleaning the seats in here. So times that by 2,000 and we basically have processes going where we've got one person vacuuming, one person pre-spraying, one person agitating and one person extracting. So we have teams and we're nearly through the job now. It's taken about 2 weeks to get through, not every day because there's been gigs on in the venue. So that's pretty much it for how to professionally clean a synthetic or a seat in a concert hall. So what we're now going to do is I'm going to show you how to do this process using products and machines that you have at home yourself. So I'm going to be using one of our shop vacs and some homemade pre-spray to do the exact same thing. Obviously not to a professional standard with professional extraction equipment, but as good as I can get to show you guys how to do this at home yourself. If you think you'd like to see more of our videos and you enjoyed this one, please like and subscribe. We're going to be doing plenty more videos. We're moving into doing more videos on car seats, car upholstery, carpets, curtains, mattresses, all sorts of things that need to be cleaned, really. So that's it. Carl here from Cleaning How To clean upholstery in a 2,000 seater arena.